Welcome, my name is Ming. Today, we will show how to convert a HTML financial report into an Inline XBRL financial report using our Semansys online reporting platform. Before we move in one line, what is Inline XBRL? It is a format that combines both human-readable and machine-readable data in a single document. This will make your reporting more efficient and consistent with the requirements of regulators, stakeholders, and our users. Create the inline report in 3 simple steps, starting with Step 1. Populate the metadata for the report, such as entity information, dates, currency, and language. This will generate an Excel template that will be used to fill in the placeholders with the corresponding values. Step 2. Create a mapping between the taxonomy and the content in the HTML. A taxonomy is a set of rules and definitions that capture the technical business requirements for reporting. Use the placeholders to link the taxonomy elements to the data in the HTML financial report. This results in a placeholder mapping and are reusable for future reports or for modifications to be made. Step 3. Render the Inline XBRL report by uploading the HTML with placeholders and the Excel with the mapping and clicking on Generate. This will produce a document that preserves the look and feel of the original HTML report, but also contains the Inline XBRL tags that can be viewed in the source code. We would like to show how this is done using our online platform, so let's get started. Step 1. Provide report information. To create a mapping and to create the inline report, we need to select a taxonomy that matches our reporting standards first. For this example, we will use any valid XBRL taxonomy defined by a regulatory authority, for example SBR or ESMA. In the process of converting to Inline XBRL, we can use financial as well as non-financial information like disclosures according to international financial standards and common reporting practices. In the Import module of our online digital reporting platform, we have a list of various taxonomies available. The taxonomy selected will be the basis of the report we want to create. Before we start populating the placeholders, we need to provide something we label as report information. This information defines the defaults of the report, such as entity name, reporting period, currency, and language. When all information is provided, it will save an Excel file to be used in the next step of the process where placeholders are populated. Step 2. Create a mapping between the taxonomy and the content in the HTML. To create a mapping, we need to assign a placeholder to each element that we want to tag in our HTML report. A placeholder is a unique key that links an element from the taxonomy to a data point in the HTML source. For example, if we want to tag the revenue amount in our income statement, we can assign it a placeholder like revenue. Let's define and set placeholders. In order to do this, we open the Excel file we created previously in Step 1. The Excel file provides a complete overview of all the reporting concepts defined and available in the taxonomy. At first, we assign a unique placeholder to the line item we want to use in our report by entering a value in column L. This will map it to the specific taxonomy requirement. In parallel, we can repeat this process for all the elements that we want to tag in our HTML report. This is done by adding the matching placeholder. The placeholders are added to the HTML as structured comment. This is clearly visible in the following view. In the side-by-side view, the various matching placeholders from the Excel are now also available in the HTML report. Step 3. Render the Inline XBRL report. Now that we have created a mapping by using placeholders and populated the report information, we are ready to render the Inline XBRL report. To do this, we will go to the Render module in our online digital reporting platform. Here, we select or upload the archive that contains the following files: the HTML report and Excel file with placeholders. Once we have uploaded and selected the archive with the required files, we now can easily, with a single click, generate the Inline XBRL report. This will produce a document that looks like our original HTML report, but also contains Inline XBRL tags. We can download this inline report by clicking on the Download button. Now that we have created report in HTML, including the Inline XBRL tags, we can easily verify this by viewing in the source code of the report or use the inline viewer available in the platform. Since we now easily, in a few steps, successfully converted a HTML financial report into an Inline XBRL financial report, our online digital report platform provides more features you can leverage. You can now validate your report, but also use our inline viewer for easy viewing and exploring inline reports. It will allow us to see the tag data and its attributes, such as element name, label, value, unit, and more. This brings us to the end where we showed in 3 steps how to convert a HTML financial report into an Inline XBRL report. If you have any questions or feedback, please get in touch with us. Thank you for watching.